Have you ever stood in front of a shelf of engine oils, utterly confused? With conventional, synthetic, and high-mileage oils available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Today we'll clarify this so you can choose the best oil for your engine. Engine oil plays a crucial role in your vehicle. It reduces friction, cools parts, and protects against wear. Using the wrong oil can harm your engine's performance and longevity. Let's break down the types of engine oil. 1. Conventional oil. This is standard oil for older engines. It's affordable but less effective in extreme conditions. 2. Synthetic oil. This oil is engineered for high performance. It resists breakdown and handles high temperatures well, making it ideal for modern engines. 3. Synthetic blend. A mix of conventional and synthetic oils. It offers great protection without the higher price of full synthetic oil. 4. High mileage oil. This type is for engines with over 120,000 kilometers. It includes additives to protect older engine components. 5. Diesel oil. Specifically for diesel engines, it handles soot and wear better. Never use it in gasoline engines without checking your manual. Understanding oil grades is also essential. When you see grades like 5W30 or 0W20, these indicate viscosity. The first number shows performance in cold temperatures. The second number indicates thickness at high temperatures. Always refer to your owner's manual for the recommended grade. When choosing your oil, think about your vehicle type, mileage, and climate. Always select brands that meet API or ACA standards. If you're uncertain, consult a certified technician. In summary, you now know the types of engine oils and how to select the right one. Next time you need an oil change, you'll make an informed choice. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ask any questions below.